Ndirika kirego konyo amono wa corona. Sababu njero na
sublocation. Echange ya corona. Ibana bateya Gusii minto bache aso bonge babitu asengencho uburu bomboro tibora asira. Na ande sindani yekakuwa betirungu tangire ebintu ebinga aso mubere.
Kurwa bono nyama yani gotokwenda wikase wodi ya Gusii yegotoka sebunge nyaribari masabe county ya Kisii asomwe musie bwe wodi ya Gusii Anthony Kirage anyarega ukwanira anene alichinyagitari dispensary chensemeyo anene ase wodi ikigendete kuyaitira ka ukwana anene kero anyarega kwarigania amariogo ayu anyarega kwatukwari tukirigo no mugabana bwe county ya Kisii nigobona Anthony Kirage atebire no bokongu mbora asinyagitari ubatakiri kurigererirwa eri abamenyi benseme banyare bakonyo ruburwaria asenjera ya bene
chinyagitari cheito nchibwa tobo kongu naende kulingana na twatebu ne sub county admin abanyagitari mbaya se chinyagitari cheito baisaine bakorwaria abantu baito unabona mario gaburite n'abanyagitari nabo baburite igo twatebire amona baminto igaba MCA nturwanire abantu baito asokoreta abanyagitari mo especially nurses ase chi dispensary chito elinda abantu baito mbakoenda atambe asengencho na stay ase facility rire angene anasare masabo ni dispensary yabwente kwagachukare etanya kwagachupa rero lakini amariogo igagocha iga abantu bamasabo bamanya gutumugocha bacha kunya mariogo ni dispensary yabwente kwagachu aliange ekobakonya na igura mangana ikarango naro amariogo gagocha acha abe kutimaitia agochiasira twatebwa amariogo ngo sirare na hande nagiko keranga amariogo tari gotoka chi dispensary chito igo ngofuatilia tore egente getangani tutagete buna ba MCA na ende buna twagambete no mugabana wito Paul Simbarati goika first priority koru na mangana yichinyagitari
Omo kertokuru abuni otokwenda wikase county ya Nyamira sebo no mugabana bwe county ya Mosinyalibo anyara ka ukwanira ebunge iyo ye county Nyamira nenekera anyara ka kwigora bono ebunge iyo sekere ebunge iyo yanyara ke kwigora ebikaro byaye bene asenyalibo aikorro na kurwe enkwana yaye ase sitting entangani ye bunge iyo asanyara ka kwerra ali alengeto jikora ase serikali yaye ka kubaterna na abo MCA amone bunge iyo ya Nyamira
kuzindua assembly ya 3 ya Nyamira County ambao tumemaliza saa hii. Nafikiri tumeeleza kwa kinaganaga yale tutafanya kwa miaka ijayo mitano. Sasa nimesema nitakuwa na loan ya watu wa biashara wale wadogo kuanzia mama mboga, bodaboda na vijana ambao wanataka kufanya online jobs. Nataka kuwasaidia kuwatrain na kuwapea loan ya kompyuta ndio waweze kufanya kazi yao. Hiyo ni moja. Ya pili, kwa manifesto vile nilisema nitainua ukulima kwa kuangalia udongo, soil testing, kuangalia udongo inataka mbolea aina gani.
Boigo monogeri bwebunge iyo ya Nyamira enokokero nena nyaraga kwerera ali barengeto jigokora ase bunge iyo anenekrate abuna niko barachikubwaterana ne serikali ya Nyalibo ilikwene kuna magendero ngoikirali abanyamira bonsi ase county iyo.
I want to appreciate that we have set the best foot forward in the spirit of consultation, working together and development for the people of Nyamira County. We are here to demonstrate that today, that we have two arms of government. We have the executive arm and the county assembly. And for one arm to do better, there must be complement. We have demonstrated that we as the county assembly and the county executive, we are ready to work together and deliver to the people of Nyamira. Devolution came and the drafters had an idea on where they wanted our country to be. In brief, we are ready to work together. All that has been happening as you have asked us is all the past.
Omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo bonanyarire gakoboria barai bonsi bari banyara bagochorwa bakorera bananchi emirimo ikiagere inero babatumete bachiko bakorera kaukwana samatanga yoko mweni mumuro mwabo mokonyi bumurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigo bono murai bwense anyarire kaote abuna igina chinga ky'abakenya baganeti bagose basemerete buna bari babachorete nigo bachiko bakorera amagendero.
Na wauliza ndugu zangu, tuwe wangwana vile vile. Vile wananchi wamekuwa wangwana, wametupatia nafasi ya uongozi, wametupigia kura. Na sisi tutimize wajibu wetu. Hawa wananchi wanangojea sasa tutimize upande wetu. Na mimi nataka niseme ya kwamba tuko na executive, tuko na legislature, na tuko na mahakama zetu. Mimi naomba sisi wote tushirikiane ili tuweze kutekeleza yale yatakayofaa wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya. As the executive, I want to commit, we will do our bit. I want to ask the legislature to do their bit and our judiciary to do their bit so that we can transform our country together.
Asijinga kiji Murai William Ruto nigo bonanyara kaote abuna ase serikali yaye gosasige karachi ko base serikali nigaraji kwene kibunese ense ya Kenya nkotigarire gutwara esikeri bwate kurukare iri kwene kibuna aba Kenya bonsi ngo sikubare n'ebintu byonsi ngo sikubire asense yetu ya Kenya.
Nikachaguliwa rais pale ikiwa Kenya ni nchi ya heshima. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie hiyo heshima mumeweka kwa taifa letu la Kenya. Nitahakikisha kwamba inadumishwa na hakuna mtu ataishusha ikuje chini. We have set a new standard for ourselves as a nation that we have changed our politics from the politics rallied around ethnicity to the politics about issues and about a plan. And today, Kenya has earned a place of respect in the community of nations as a country that can prosecute its affairs on issues and have peaceful elections where we vote and the next day we can go back to work. And I want to say that I will make sure that that place of respect where Kenya, collectively, all of us, whichever way we voted, we have set for ourselves a place of respect. That place, I will make sure it doesn't come down.
Boigo mokonyo William Ruto Rigathi Gachagua nena nyara kaote abuna korengana ne amate yaye gosijingwana banyarire bagokwana nigo baitibuna goikacho kora emirimo buya asense ya Kenya boigo goikacho kumubatisia umurai bwense eri goikirania amaganio ali abakenya baganetie anena goikera chira chiri balireta abakenya kero bari kuriye kero ky'uburai imeyense ya Kenya.
In the family meeting last night, when we were discussing you and the role you have played in this family of holding us, holding our hand, always be there with us, I was given very clear and sufficient instructions by the family that I must serve you with loyalty and dedication. I was told by my family to give back to your support for this family, for your true friendship, in the duties you have given me to assist you in the management of the affairs of this great nation. They told me to work very hard to make sure I ease your work and I assist you to succeed. My family is of the opinion, and rightly so, that electing President William Ruto is not enough. President William Ruto must succeed and turn around this country.
Boigo gati yabarai bali nabaro baikirana samatanga yugo sasomoiga boko mweni mumurumu aboro Rigathi Gachagua nigo nabaro bate abuna baguchukora emirimo ya obuya anena abachumbe tabwe county ya Kericho Haron Cheruyot nigo badabuna na barabu asensemo yabo una bakori emirimo gosa bachumbe ne wajukwenda kibuna emiswada ikiwa sebunge ngwetere eriakonye abananchi gosaba Kenya bonsi.
As members of parliament, we are ready to begin work and ensure that we pass laws that shall transform the lives of our people. We shall ensure that the laws that we passed are just and not for the benefit of single individuals, but for the benefit of the welfare of all the people of Kenya. That business, where back in the day, laws were brought to parliament, quickly hurried for the benefit of a select few, that is history right now. Under your guidance, you've told us that you want to build a government that is of the ordinary people. As a majority leader in the Senate, I assure you that every law that shall be passed on the floor of that house, the number one thing that we shall be checking out is how is it beneficial to the ordinary people of Kenya. That will be our first consideration, Your Excellency.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Siaya wetera omugwasiri bw'obukoreri bw'obukyenwa se kaunti eyo nigo bono anyarire kawate abune serikali ya kaunti eyo nigo yabekire meroberi ya bene irikurwa ni burwire bwepora buna bogochugwateka ase kaunti yuka okwana nigatebruna bono nigo bakorire obotuki gose nigo bandate kubeka meroberi ya bene kwene kuno burwire obuna bwateka sensemeyo tiburi gochugikera abamenyi bensemeyo.
Public, I wish to re-emphasize that Ebola presents a number of symptoms: fever, diarrhea, bleeding from body openings, vomiting. There are a number of sore throat, rashes, a number of symptoms. So those are the symptoms that we pick. If anybody presents with those symptoms in our facilities, or if we pick anybody with those symptoms in the community, then we screen them to know whether they have any history that can link them to any risk of Ebola. So in terms of preparation, should any case be detected, I want to say that we are ready. We have conducted an assessment on our isolation unit. You will recall that because of COVID, we developed a 310 bed capacity isolation facilities in this county. We are ready. We have done assessment.
Omosizi oyibono niga Dismas Odhiambo oyibo igonyara gote habone serikali ya county yabekire miroberiyo gotange eboroiro bugo sebinyinyi ebyo biboroiro bwe porasenseme yekoto skabosioni gobono mugabana we county ya Kisumu anyanginyo ngatebrune serikali yaye nigenda kubeka miroberiyo eyerengete gojigosira ebirengo byamagendero ase county yuka ukwana ase county yo ni wana tebruna ere asobokorerwa ne ochikwende kibone miroberiyo abekiro yamagendero kujiruikirana asengaki harobisi.
Creating new market for farmers in the Lake Victoria Basin region over the next 5 years. Unlike give price to Kum, I never describe our farmers as poor. They may be poor in assets, but not poor in intentions and capability. And what farmers really want is good farm gate prices for their crops, production, and they will rise up to the occasion. The venture will reduce Kenya's dependence on importing food commodities by approximately $200 million US, that is closer to 24 billion Kenyan shillings annually, thus reducing Kenya's trade deficit. An array of high-value crops will generate foreign exchange with focus on servicing local consumer and industry demand with consumer value addition done within Kenya. This could include, among other things, at least 100,000 tons of locally produced rice, at least 100,000 bales equivalent of cotton products to support the Kenyan textile industry.
Ekero county merongibiri na isato ejigenda gwakwa numura keramo ninjarene na sense meyo ni gobono nabagi currency ya Kenya gose serikali ya Kenya ndata kurgimiro beri na kiokore muchando yo ni gobona babwatani bejidini korwase county ya Tarakanidhi banyarire bakobori ya serikali kwayerire na kobeke miroberi ya bene irigotori obogima boli bandate gusira asense meyo anekero babwato muchando bwokuro kwa maje hamone njara asense meyo.
Nchi yetu kwa sababu ya janga la ukame na njaa iko katika sehemu nyingi, na hiyo tumekuwa tukiomba na kufanya pia appeal ama kuuliza watu wale ambao wanaweza kuwa na kitu ambacho kinaweza kusaidia wale wako na shinda hiyo njaa, waweze kujitokeza kupeana mali yao, kupeana chakula chao ili iweze kufikia wale ambao saa hii wanalala hoi, waweze kupata kitu ya kukula. Na pia tuna appeal pia kwa serikali yetu, hata kama ni mpya ndio inaangaliwa sana, tunauliza ya kwamba waweze kupeana msaada wa chakula ndio uweze kufikia wale watu ambao wako na shida nyingi sana.
Sisi kama wamama tunaathirika sana wakati kama huu wa njaa, kwa sababu ni sisi tunakuwa nyumbani na watoto na wazee wetu. Kwa hivyo tunaomba serikali yetu ikiwa wanaweza kutusaidia na kitu cha kukula. Tunajua ni watu wengi sana wamefinyika, ni watu wengi sana wanalia, na tukipata msaada wa chakula tutafurahi sana na tutashukuru Mungu, na tunaombea serikali yetu at least mahali wataenda wakute milango imefunguka ndio watuombee chakula tuweze kupata kitu cha kulisha familia zetu.
Abono ngoiko mweli wa mangana ito echinsa ikomi kondinyoro na gekora gense ya abone marogoba ayuwa mona mangiro chukuna nyora buna bari kweito baendete ko yaligania ko ruimena isko ya Gusii som tomo jakuriria Ndizi TV ne robon suma Gusii na bakonda sensa meri mitandao banda go tobwate sensa ya Facebook na bagoto nyora Ndizi TV News Digital baga sensa ya YouTube na bagoto nyora Ndizi TV News so konya chinga kina bagoto tweet Oigo, na bogo tomekerekere witera se namba era se skini ya wigora chikora kachinsa 11 cha bona marogoba nigo chigo soa se chingero cha babant files erinde monyare babant files ende monyare mogo soa sense me chingero tosuka ekiagera Ndizi TV ni koretere miroberio ya bene ya uchunjugira na koretera etengo boigo entertainment gotosuka yenero Ndizi TV bwansuma Gusii yongonya sense meri ndego soyorenga sense meri ndi studio kwende kune achibicha na maliga go jira senjera ya bene Betronira Mokeira Nigeria ne Brighton.